So all I'm going to do right now is come into my crypto.com app. I'm going to hit this, I think I hit the middle button, but I'm going to hit crypto wallet right here at the top. And I have a little bit of Ethereum. So what I'm going to do is transfer this Ethereum to my metamask so I can get it on the Forsage. So I'm going to click on Ethereum. I'm going to click on transfer. All right, I'm going to click on withdraw. It's going to be an external wallet here. Right here, add wallet address. What I'm going to do is this is going to be blurred out, or I may skip this, but you can see here where the address is supposed to go. To get your MetaMask address, you will log into it on your Google Chrome browser and click on account and just copy the address to the clipboard. I'm going to paste this address in. It's going to ask me, it says check your email to confirm your new wallet address. I'm going to open my email. I'm going to confirm it in my email. It's going to ask me to open up my crypto.com. So there's my wallet right there. I'm just going to click withdraw. My max is 0.33 Ethereum. And I'm going to go ahead and withdraw it. All right, we're going to sending from to, the fee is 0.003 Ethereum. I'm going to confirm it. Going to enter my passcode here. And sent over. And to confirm, if you see right there on the history, that's where you confirm the amount sent, and it's in your wallet, ready to go into your Forsage account.